Jai Hind, dear student. Today I am here to discuss the new topic, that is symmetry. I hope you must have seen the video which was posted related with the symmetry. Symmetry is nothing but a geometrical concept commonly seen everywhere in the nature. It is used by many people. The idea of symmetry is used by artists, designers of jewelry, designers of cloth. You may also seen by some architects, the designs which are made by architect. So these are it is used by many people. And if you see that the beehives, flowers, leaves of tree, religious symbols, all are having a symmetrical design. So you must be getting a feel of line of symmetry. So line of symmetry is that line that when it is drawn on any of the object, when it is folded in such a way such that the one half coincide with the other half, it means that figure is having a line of symmetry. On that basis, I'm going to solve the first exercise of the chapter symmetry. In this first exercise 14.1, question number 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are homework. Rest all question I will discuss here. Starting with the first question, as figures are already drawn and some of the dots are given in the figure. So you have to draw a line of symmetry such that when you cover the first half with the other half, the dots should also be covered. So I have drawn the figure for that particular question. Please excuse me for the figure. So it is the first question where almost a rectangular, you can say square shaped figure is there. So when you draw a line of symmetry horizontally from the midpoint of the figure in such a way, you have to take care of the point that it should cover the dots, so that the first half should cover the other half. You can also draw a vertical line of symmetry so that this half covers this part. So this figure is having two lines of symmetry. When you come to question number second part, there you can see that we can only draw a diagonal line of symmetry. If the dots wouldn't have been there, then it would be possible for me to draw horizontal as well as vertical. But since the dots are given, so I'll draw a diagonal line of symmetry so that this dot is covered by this dot when you fold the paper. Same way, when you come to the third, you have to draw a horizontal line of symmetry so that this half should be covered by other. Now I think you must have get the idea. So let's draw for the D part now. So here also you need to draw a horizontal line of symmetry so that this half is covered by the next. Here you will see that you can also draw a horizontal, you can also draw a vertical. Is there a possibility of drawing the diagonals also? Yes, there is. So from this half part of the dots to other half. Same way from this half of the dots to other half. So you have seen that this particular figure is having four lines of symmetry. Now when you come to this, some diagonals have already been drawn there. But is there a possibility of having any other line of symmetry? We see that we can draw a vertical line of symmetry so that from the half part when you cover it, this figure shows that a vertical line of symmetry. Now when you come to this triangle, here we can draw a vertical line of symmetry so that this half is covered by other. And as in this triangle, we can draw a particular horizontal line of symmetry. Same way, when you come to this figure, there is a possibility of drawing a vertical line of symmetry. Now although circle is having infinite line of symmetry if the dots are not given there. But when the two dots are given, there is a possibility of drawing a vertical as well as a horizontal line of symmetry. Now when you come to this figure, here you may draw a this way a line of symmetry, this way, then a vertical one, and then a horizontal one. So this circle is having four line of symmetry, this circle is having two line of symmetry. What about this circle? Here we can draw a horizontal as well as a vertical. So this circle is also having two line of symmetry. So in this question you have seen that for all the 12 figures which is given there, we need to draw a line of symmetry for the given question. Same way in the third question of it, there a line of symmetry is already drawn and the half part of the figure is there. You have to complete the figure for question number 3. Now let's move on with question number 3, which says that a mirror is being placed or a line of symmetry is being drawn for question number 3. We have to complete the figure. It means if you put a mirror here, so this half will reflect like the same in the other part in the mirror. You only have to complete the figure so that it look like this line will act as a line of symmetry for that particular figure. Same way, here is a case of triangle. So we'll produce the base and we'll join the vertex so that this figure looks complete. Same way for this, we'll try to draw the other half of the same by putting the mirror. Just put a mirror on this line, you will see that the other half will reflect in the mirror, and same way you need to draw it. Same way, this is circle, other half you will complete in this way. For this figure, just produce a line on the other side of it so that it looks like a pentagon. And for this figure, just produce the other half and complete your figure so that it looks like octagon, 8-sided polygon. And you will see that in question number 3 there are figures which are having more than one line of symmetry. So whenever you are having a case of regular polygon with having equal sides and equal angle, those are regular polygons. So always regular polygon has multiple line of symmetry. Now when you come to question number 5, for completing your figure, you first have to draw a symmetrical line. Either you draw diagonally or horizontally or vertically. Then you will be able to see that when you put a mirror here, what other part of the square is not filled. Just fill it that part. You will see that your figure should look like a symmetrical figure. Either if you draw horizontally, if you take a horizontal line of symmetry, or you take a vertical line of symmetry, or you take a diagonal part of it. If you draw that and if you put a mirror, you will see that what else part of the square is missing, that you may complete it so that your figure looks having a symmetrical design. So this is all about for first class. Rest in next class we will continue with question number 7 and 9. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.